This tech takeoff and why some make the argument that it is not done just yet. That is the view of Tom Lee, Fundstrat's co-founder and head of research. He is, as you can see, with us live. Welcome back. It's good to see you again.
Great to see you, Scott.
Doesn't want to let up. It certainly doesn't seem like it wants to. Why do you think it can continue, Tom?
Well, we know bull markets climb a wall of worry, and we know that there's a lot of things that we visibly worry about, including debt ceiling, inflation, the Fed, regional banks. But I think the message that's come out in the last couple of months is companies have been incredibly resilient. They manage costs really carefully. They've been selective in how they manage prices. They've been really good at targeting customers, and I think that's what's paying off. They had a great first quarter earnings season, and as you know, at several of these conferences, they haven't been cutting guidance. In fact, I think they've destocked, so I think there's still upside to earnings. That's one positive story. And the second, of course, is positioning, because people really did rage sell last year, but we know that the bond market is sort of signaling a softer landing than many were expecting. I think that's positive for equities.
So you think there's still going to be a chase to come, at least as it relates to tech, because you've gotten a year's worth of gains in these stocks, and in some cases you've gotten like 5 years worth of gains. It's been quite remarkable, and you know exactly what I'm alluding to. The fact that NVIDIA and stocks like that up 100% year to date plus, and don't seem to want to let up.
Yeah, I think what's interesting about NVIDIA is that this was not a widely shorted stock into the results. So that 30% rally was really the market recognizing they have to reprice the future cash flows. I think that's pretty true for most of the FANG trade. One of the reasons we thought it would be our top sector pick this year was that all this wage inflation and need to boost productivity was going to be solved by these FANG companies. And that ultimately translates into better than expected growth. I think that's really the thesis. And it sort of explains why FANG, has really led this year, but I don't find them actually expensive stocks.